In this video, we will be talking about how we can create custom visualization or a custom plugin for Superset. So in earlier video, we saw how we can run Superset in development mode or dev mode, and here now we will be continuing from creation of this custom plugin. So before that, we should be ready with our Superset, what is set up here, and inside this, so this is not required, but for now, this should not be like required to be run in this folder, but it is just a global. So I'm just going to install it. Now we can move inside this folder, do npm install, and then npm link, which will be like, it will link it globally. Now I'm going to go, where are we? Okay, so I'm going to go inside this specific directory. Here I will be creating, no, let's move first. So here I have Superset directory, and then I'm going to create another directory, that is Superset chart hello world, and then we are moving inside this directory. Let's generate the base plugin. So this is the template they have created, so I'm just going to run it. It says what is the name. I'm just going to continue everything as it is. For now I'm just going to create regular chart, so I'm just selecting this. So now you will see these errors, but we can just run npm install force and then it will install. So again, the similar issue that we saw earlier, that sometimes it fails with legacy dependencies. So with force it will install, and now we can just try running npm run build. Okay, build is successful. Now we have to go back into our Superset, and what it is saying, that in this folder, okay, so inside the Superset frontend we have to install our plugin first. So let me see, we are inside a Superset frontend. Let's check pwd, and this is my path where the plugin is. So I'm going to install npm I -s and this. Let me quickly see what are next. Yeah, okay, so just doing this. Oh, I think after minus I added that space. Till then it is installed. Let's see if we have that chart available, just to be sure. Like in other, I want the hello world will be available here, so currently it's not. So now we will start moving toward the integration part. So we have to open this directory, sorry, this file. Here we have to import our Superset plugin hello world that we have created. So here, and then we have to add that into plugins array, which is nothing but this thing, and I'm going to add it here at the end. And I think our server is already running, and then now your plugin is here. So we can create new chart, and so what we have colors, so I'm just going to count distinct, and it says we have 5. If we add name, you see we have these things. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is the demo database that Superset has. So this is what our first hello world plugin is with, and it is showing this data. So let's open cursor here, and sorry, not in test, in src. In here I'm just going to add my name h3, and then we should be able to see it here. No, oh, we have to update it. So we didn't run it in the dev, So let me start it. I think npm run dev, not dev server. Now we should be able to see the changes. Yeah, now we are able to see the changes. So one thing that I will update, that is we have to perform npm run dev in the plugin as well, so that it will start showing the changes. So now if I add exclamation mark here and update chart, it is now updating in real time. So now it will be easy for us to create a custom plugin in Superset. So that's it for this video. We will continue this series and we will create, like, one of my customers shared me a requirement. He wanted to have a custom card with multiple, like, line charts and values and comparison and all. So I will be working on that, and then parallelly I will be creating custom visuals, and then the goal is to create a library of set of custom visualization that we created, and then we will contribute it in Superset. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.